this is what you do at night in Molokai apparently, is get this bread that has cream cheese and blueberries and strawberries inside of it. And this is just crazy.
What's the worst? Is there stuff inside of it?
It's everything. Here, cream cheese, blueberries, strawberries, butter.
It's like a big sandwich.
Oh, gross.
See all these chickens in this yard right next to the Hotel Molokai. These guys woke me up this morning. Can you hear them? Crowing away. They both woke up bright and early, about 4:45, 5 o'clock this morning, and just started making all kinds of noise. So something to be aware of when you're staying at Hotel Molokai, is the roosters will wake you up in the morning.